So we're here at the NEC at Gravity Car Show. We're here with Ortec welders, my personal favorite kind of welder. Talking to people, talking stuff, telling people about how good these welders are and having a bit of crack with people. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's just going to be us walking around talking about stuff and looking at cars. The wheels remind me of some wheels that I've done before, like the holes where the bolts go into. The pockets weren't deep enough for the nuts to reach the studs, so I had to machine them deeper. I think it's them, I don't know, I don't want to say anything in case I'm wrong. I like the fitment, it's good tolerances there. Ooh. This video is sponsored by old Fords. So if I ever have enough money to buy a Lambo, I'm going to buy an old Ford, like a Mark II or one of these. This is the coolest car here. Ford used to be cool. What a fall from grace. Oh look, a dry belt.
Is this a bit of you, is it?
No, not really. It's just in Ireland, if you're a loose cunt, you get one of these. They have a really bad reputation in Ireland.
Oh, I know that, yeah.
And I just want one just because I want to be an asshole. Turbo Cosworth.
Ah.
I saw you in Matt Armstrong's videos and stuff. Your work is amazing.
Oh, Sam, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Big car.
YouTuber, can I have a picture?
Yeah, of course.
Yay!
Bob's busy right now talking to people, so I said I'd take over the channel for a bit and rate cars as somebody who has no idea about cars. First of all, fit check. Angry. This looks like mine after I yeeted it into a curb. I think it needs tracking and balance redoing. I prefer the Irish ones. This guy's definitely called Nathan. Thicky. She thicky. We all know why this is on a trailer. Nothing more needs to be said. Oh wow, they copied the machine shop color scheme. Gay. This person is spending $1,100 a month on finance. This is girly pop. Mater. Baby wheels. Definitely sits in a McDonald's car park. 2 engines. Twice as good or twice as shit. Love sixth form girls. This is perfect. No notes. RX-7. Corvette. Mum, I love her. Should have stayed on fire. Okay, so we've all just had a snack beer while we're looking for actual beer. And as you can see, they've cheered up a bit now.
Snack pint.
Stainless. Yeah, stainless, yeah.
Titanium hurts your teeth more.
If you polish that, it would look amazing.
Del, if you polish a lot of things, they'd look amazing. Oh my God, is that Dips? That is Dips!
Is that Bob over there? Machine shop Bob? No. Hey, can I have your signature? 1 minute.
This week on the machine shop,
Oh my
Bob's
God,
Gravity.
Awesome.
So this was Gravity.
Gravity has been fun.
Gravity has been done.
Actually, I came here thinking there would be more Gravity than usual, as advertised. That concludes Gravity.
That might conclude Gravity.
That concludes Gravity.
Sorry, I saw it in your clip.
So that's been our foray into the car world. The first time we have really kind of put our fingers and toes into the car world. Weird. everybody smells different. They wash. That's nice. And very friendly, actually. Everybody's very friendly.
To everybody who uses Lynx Africa, thank you.
Thank you very much for watching. And if you like our video, don't subscribe, but please recommend our videos to other people so they can watch our videos too. Thank you very much.
This has been Gravity. Thank you.